The prominent lawyer Taban Mpofu has ignited a fresh national debate, declaring that Zimbabwe's liberation war icons belong to every citizen, not to political parties. Zalapena mashuko buda pangwa ina anokonzi Taban Mpofu pangwa inoi anonzi comrade Fulcrum. Obuda tara mashuko kuti no party heroes. Mpofu blasts illegal team extension plot. Zalapena mashuko zvizere tiona kuti Taban Mpofu oya chiramba zvitogwa neZANU-PF achiti musada kunyepera vanhu. Loribo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivida paendo ya Able Truth amudanyura achiti in quotes, our heroes are our mothers and fathers, our grandfathers and grandfathers, even our girlfriends and boyfriends, he said, adding playfully. I will even tell you who my crush is. Mpofu insisted that liberation legends transcend party lines. In quotes, there are no ZANU-PF heroes or opposition heroes. They are only Zimbabwean heroes, he declared, urging the nation to reclaim its shared history from partisan division. But he did not stop there. Turning to the controversial constitutional amendment proposal, Mpofu questioned, who truly stands to gain if President Emmerson Mnangagwa extends his term from 2028 to 2030 without a referendum? In quotes, we owe each other the truth, he said. Boswiti, Bethu, let's confront this together. Ndomashwa naye pana pachitagwa naTaban Mpofu chinova chokwadi chemahara achiti aiwa hakuna maheroes eZANU, hakuna maheroes eopposition, maheroes ndeyenation, ndeyenyika yese. Saka panguva ino ngavasauya vachida kupa vanhu information isiriyo, and panguva ino azopa equation avo yashandisa vanhu nekuti kana vakasucceeda panguva ino in extending the term from 2028 to 2030 vakachinja mitemo iripo yekuvhota, anonyatsa kubenefita chaizvo ndiani? It's a question. Vanhu panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi veZANU-PF vari kusapota zvavo amendment, but havanyatsi kuziva kuti what is the life after the amendment. Pena comment section medu dzofungura ema kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.